Hello everyone and welcome back to the last episode in the series of In the Pan.
With Joe and Diane.
I thought you were going to finish it or what?
No, I thought there would be a nice pause for a little Christmas jingle.
So this is our last episode, but before we do this last episode, merch should be out.
Yay!
I'm not excited enough.
Why don't we do this coming up? Why don't we walk up?
Yeah, but I'm worried that my mic might go. Okay, ready? 3. Am I hidden?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Merch is finally out!
That's not how I always
What are you going to do?
like elevate it up.
I think we've just got to be explosive about it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Merch is finally here! Take from that what you will. We have 2 different hoodies. We've got the one with just the print on the left breast. Sorry for doing it. That's
Yeah, why are you rubbing that?
Yeah, I just want to show the... Moving on, which is plain on the back, but has a lovely image on the left breast. I am wearing the more premium one, which is an embroidered patch on the left breast, rather than a print. And on the back, we've got the big logo.
Oh,
yes.
really? I also have bought you a bit of a Christmas present.
Okay.
Because you've been so good all year to me.
Right.
These are a few of your favourite things.
I just noticed your little hat. Cleansing makeup remover wipes.
Yes.
Are they for you?
No, they're for you.
Okay.
Because you like makeup.
Got 3/4 of a bottle of red wine. Mm-hmm. Thanks.
You're welcome.
We've
Favourite, Gingerbread.
Yeah, my favourite chocolates.
Favourite chocolates.
Well done. We've got. Oh, okay.
Now it's getting real.
Right, back on the merch hype. We've got the In the Pan tea towel.
Yay.
Woo! Woo! The In the Pan apron.
Yes.
You don't want to get mess on you when you're cooking.
No.
Especially those trash can nachos. You know, you don't want to get any cheese
If
sauce.
you don't know what we're talking about, go ahead and watch it. All this stuff could be great Kris Kringles.
What's that mean? You
always ask me what Kris Kringle is.
Oh, Secret Santas.
Secret Santa.
What gets wetter the more it dries?
Sea snake.
Not a sea snake. A Joe and Diane In the Pan tea towel. And lastly, in the box, we have. What is this? Oh, the theme of today's video. The theme of today's video, we are of course making, as it's the last video of the year, we are making a gingerbread house. Build your own DIY Christmas market kit. Inspired by the Covent Garden Christmas market. It's easy to make a gingerbread showstopper this Christmas. Just follow these simple instructions. We've got instructions.
Well, you see, to them, I should say, it's simple instructions.
We've got to make
But
icing.
to us, it never seems to be simple.
No.
I feel as well, because it's all about the decoration, you should have one half of the house and I should have another half of the house. Actually, what it will be like when we do have a house, I feel like we're going to have separate halves of the houses.
You are stood on my toe and it really hurts.
Yeah, I'm just talking.
Ow. So we were going to make it ourselves from scratch. Then we realised actually to make gingerbread, it takes ages, it takes hours to make it properly.
Hours.
We've got a bag of icing.
Look
and
at
we've
this.
already got the pre-made walls and everything. We can't snap
the
them.
walls to our house.
Look at that. I'm actually really excited for this. It's going to be a very, very chilled out, relaxing episode. We're just going to talk about...
Oh, you would think.
Oh, yeah. To make the traditional hard set icing, sift the entire packet of royal icing sugar into a mixing bowl.
Oh, that's this.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've got to sift it.
We don't, like, number one, we don't have a sifter.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
I'm sure we do.
We don't.
We do.
We do not have a sifter.
How do you know that?
Because I've never seen a sifter in this house.
You're making such a mess of that. So you want to sift using this?
Yeah.
An egg strainer?
Yeah.
Wait, did it say put all of it in there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, entire packet of icing into the... Wait.
See, I'm clever.
My word. Wait, don't stop pouring because it's overflowing. Give me time to sift. Give me time to sift. Give me time to sift.
It's like the smoke you had in your Viennese waltz.
Give me time to sift.
Had your bad footwork. It's bad for your lungs.
No, I don't think so. There's way worse things for your lungs, like smoking.
True.
We've sifted our icing. 3 to 4 tablespoons of water and beat the mixture with a whisk. Slowly adding water until the icing stands up in straight peaks.
Trust me, look, you were not going to be able to get anything on this. Look. Yeah. Do it properly. That's going to be a lot.
Pour it slow. And then it's pretty much done. Like, it's actually going to be a really easy...
I feel like we were meant to add the water a bit slower than that.
Straight peaks. Yes, way too runny, Dot.
It's all right, we can always add...
Way too runny. Actually, no, but by beating it loads, it will get thicker.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I tell you what, it's a blue workout.
That's good because I don't think we got any royal icing sugar.
Can you go and ask the Queen?
Yeah.
And whilst I'm mixing, why don't you give me some of your highlights of the series so far?
Me?
Yeah, of the whole year.
Oh, for sure.
This is the last episode of the year.
For sure, my eggs, turmeric, and
Episode 1.
episode 1. What was it? Eggs, turmeric, and
Cabbage.
cabbage.
How can you forget the cabbage?
Yeah, no, that was
The cabbage was a vital part of that.
That was a whole cabbage.
My least favourite was the burger. The burger that we made.
That was rank, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That big old. Ugh.
Just didn't. That was the one thing that we just could not eat. And your kippers. That was my least favourite.
Right, so we need to basically just design every single layer now. We get 1, 2, 3 pieces each.
To design the best side of the house.
See who can be the most creative.
And then we'll let you guys at home decide on which side of the house you think was the best. Do you want to whisk for a bit?
Yeah, let's just put some flour in it.
No.
Oh, royal icing sugar.
Yes.
You're going to be sore tomorrow.
I'm going to be injured tomorrow. You have a go. I need to rest my arm. I've got a cramp in my forearm.
Holy moly. I don't know who added too much water, but crazy. Peaks, look at that.
That's proper Tim. That's Tim.
Who's Tim?
Tim Peake. He's an astronaut. I've realised we can get ants after this video.
Are we?
Look.
Icing sugar.
Icing sugar attracts the ants.
Oh, look, I just made a mess, but thank God I'm wearing my apron. Bless you.
Oh.
Right, Joe, how do we do? Oh.
Yeah, ding dong merrily on high.
Bless you.
Yeah, Christmas themed sneeze.
Do you have to cut a bit here?
Tiny little, yeah,
You sure?
tiny bit. Because you want, if the smaller the hole, the more detailed it will be.
Should there be a theme? What's the theme so we have a theme?
Do you want to say theme one more time? Christmas would be a great theme probably for a house like this.
Roof, side of the house,
That's what I said before.
back of the house, front of the house.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay?
Okay, so I'm going to start with the roof first. You do the roof first.
I'm doing the roof first, yeah.
I want to copy what is just on the book.
No, you can't. You have
Why?
to be creative yourself, Joe.
Oh, okay.
Use
right.
the creative geniuses. Whoa, we're so silent. It's
Yeah.
the most silent we've ever been.
Concentration time.
Ever. My brother is a baker.
I know, you tell me every single day. Do you ever just think how lucky you are, Dot?
Why? What do you mean?
Nothing. That's a roof and you've just written avocado on it.
No, I haven't. I've never done this before.
Very therapeutic, isn't it? Pre-made. It's a way to go.
It's a way to go. All you got to do is decorate. That's the funnest part. Who the hell wants to bake it? Not me, not I.
Going back to In the Pan,
Yeah,
this series.
yeah.
Any other top moments?
Are you trying to put me off while I'm... Oh, when my mum was on.
Your mum?
Yeah. My mum and dad were here.
Yeah. Think I'm winning.
Nah.
Yours looks like someone's just graffitied that part of the roof. Fun, exciting news. We are performing at the Christmas special this year on Christmas Day. If you want to watch that, you're more than welcome to. Sorry, I'm really concentrating. It's hard.
Me too.
It's actually hard, isn't it?
I know, when you get asked questions, it's really, really, really intricate. You can't keep looking at that.
I'm not. Why are you going to the cupboard? What are you getting? Is that tablets? Is that Nurofen?
No, you don't like
Oh.
look.
This actually looks very lovely.
I know.
There, my wall is done. We both attacked this brief from a very different angle, I must say.
Oh, damn, I'm not going to fit the E. Were you good at art at school?
Yes.
So now we have to go...
Like this and that, so I do that here. No, I can't do that. 'Cause it's got a nasty rounded side to it. So that and that. So you've got to do...
that and that.
No. No, you've got to do the
yeah.
other side.
That one.
Yeah.
So I put some icing here. Is that what we do?
What?
No.
What the hell was
I
that?
felt like I just choked on a bit of the...
I thought you'd just been possessed. I got to hold it. Oh, no, don't push me! Father Christmas would be proud. We should have put it on a plate, shouldn't we?
Yeah.
Should I get a plate?
Yeah.
Can you do it? Careful, it's not fully set yet. Dot! That's your side as well.
No.
Oh, look what she's gone and done.
Oh no, the
Look what she's done.
carrots suck. Oh, it's fine.
Oh. Do you know what? I tip my hat. If I had a hat, oh, I do have a hat, a little hat. I tip my hat to all the people that make these at a professional level, because this is difficult. Attach that to that. Up. Very nice. Let that set for a bit.
I reckon you can go straight for the hog.
Yeah.
How do you eat one of these things?
I don't think you do. I think you do it just to show off that you can make them, and then no one actually eats it.
We wouldn't be able to take it to Australia, would we?
No. You would not get it through customs unless you can fit it. Put it in the middle so if it falls, it's not going to fall on the floor. What are you doing? What are you doing? Dots!
Oh no.
You sabotaged my side. Hold them both in position. That's it. Now I'm just going to fill this bit at the top. Oh, sorry.
That is
Nice.
cool.
Let that dry. That is nice. High five, I like that.
That is cool. Oh, is it slipping? Yeah,
No.
it's slipping.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold it there for a bit.
Okay. Yours is very typical, Joe.
What do you mean? Yours looks like someone's vandalised it. Wait,
So,
at least.
on my side, obviously the roof, avocado for the win.
What's
of
the meaning
course.
behind that?
That means vote for me,
You're just trying to put that in the atmosphere.
of course. And then we have, obviously, carrots suck. And then we've come inside with a carrot and an avocado.
Oh, so you do like the
and
carrot?
me on the top as mascot.
Meat?
Me,
Oh.
my hair and my
thought you-
face.
I thought you said meat. For my side, I went more grand designs. I've gone with like a lovely white and gold snow-like effect coming down from the top of the house. And then here I've got the snowflakes with a red dot in there because of you.
Snowflakes?
Yes, these are snowflakes. What do you think they were? Crabs?
Well, not snowflakes, probably like...
And then underneath here, I've got a lovely, as you can see, even spread pattern.
Like
That's hard to
turtles.
do. That's hard to make a pattern like that. That's not accurate.
Really?
Yeah, of course. And I've got grass down here, but with snow intertwined and some red apples on the floor. Yeah, because I like Snow White. And on the back, I've got a little pattern which Diane ruined, and then it says below, "Get your merch,"
Oh, I like that. That gets a high five.
which is the link in the description. It's time to try it. Oh, it's not. It's nice consistency.
Breaks off. Oh, if you left that for Santa, you'd be a happy slayer.
If we left that just on the kitchen worktop overnight, it get destroyed by ants. What a great Christmas treat! If you've got the time and you can be asked to do it, I highly recommend giving this a go. It's
Really
great.
fun.
It's a great family activity.
Especially the piping.
Right, so there we go. That was our attempt at a festive gingerbread house.
Quite successful, I think.
It was okay, yeah. Send us in your versions. I know a lot of you out there this time of year love to make a gingerbread house. Send us in your pictures to the In the Pan Instagram page and tag us, and we'll go through and like some of them. And also, as we keep mentioning throughout this video, we finally have merchandise out. So if you want to go and grab yours, link in the description. Get on there and grab what you like. And yeah, have a very, very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thanks for liking all our stuff on In the Pan.
We've done it for a whole year now, pretty much, almost.
No.
Well, we've done it throughout the entire year.
When did we start In the Pan?
But anyway, it's been an amazing experience. We've enjoyed it. We hope you have as well. And then I guess we'll see you next year
Yes.
with a new series.